Dude, like, I'm like pissed off right now. Dude, the whole fucking shelf's probably a piece of shit, but damn, it couldn't take the weight. All my fucking vinyls went down for the count. I was hella mad. Now I gotta go through all the damn records to see if none of them broke. I think these ones are good. Oh yeah, Ready for the World. I've been pissed off if these broke. Especially this one, the first album. This one fucking kicks ass. I'm hella pissed off, like, beyond pissed. Well, it's time for a new shelf. Now, if my new wave section and my hip hop section goes down with the rest of them anytime soon, then I'm really gonna be pissed off. Because I really enjoy that section of albums I have right on top, right there. Like, I don't know what to fucking do. Like, I already got like hella shit, like just like hella shit in this room already, and in a fucking closet too. Like, what the fuck? Like, I don't know where to fucking put this anyplace else. Like, the hell. And I got all these fucking games and shit. Damn, like, this just pissed me off. And if that's someone texting me, I'm just gonna. I'm hella mad right now. I'm hella mad. So many. Oh, man, let's just go. I gotta go through these, make sure nothing broke. Some of these fell pretty hard. I don't feel like dealing with this shit. Like, I got enough problems right now. I was trying to keep this room clean. Well, try to fix this tomorrow. How did that even happen? Like, these records have been sitting up here for like 2 years, and I don't know why it just now decided to just collapse. It doesn't make sense. Well, we've had this shelf for a long time. Yeah, I mean, it wasn't even mine's. At first, it was my sister's, and then she gave it to my brother Kirk, and then he gave it to me, and now I guess it just decided to poop out on me. Well, that's it. I'm pissed and have no idea what to do with it. And some fell behind my drums. Awesome. Which I don't feel like pulling out. Like, I'm so mad right now. Well, guys, that's about it. This is a quick vlog I wanted to do and show you guys what will happen if you don't have better shelves. Especially if it's something valuable. Like this shit, you know. Some of these albums I own are very hard to find. The first Chic album, like that. Got one out. Oh, and that was a good one too. Yeah, this one. Taste the Honey. One of the best R&B albums out there. I'm glad I didn't break, but I hope that jacked up floor didn't scratched up. Well, that's it. Well, so mad right now. And just to let you guys know, I organized this stuff too. Organized every bit of these albums. Now I have to reorganize it. So, I'm screwed. Fuck. 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 Mm. Those on the bottom are doing fine though. Some of these kind of smashed these ones right here. Damn, hell man. Alright, that's it. Peace out, guys. I don't know when I'm gonna have another video out soon. I've been doing pretty crappy on YouTube anyway, so you probably won't be seeing much of me until I get some better equipment. So I'm trying to make some better videos. Well, that's it. Peace out. Hell I'm at. And like, let me tell you, like, I was just listening to my music on my computer, just mind my own business. I thought someone was trying to come in from my balcony door. I thought someone was about to come in here and like fucking kill me. So I started getting hella scared. I was like, oh shit, someone's about to come in, walk behind me and kill me. And then I was like, what the hell was that? I thought someone was trying to break the door down. And then I was like, oh shit, my record albums fell. And then I was like, damn, man. I'm hella mad. That's it for this video. I'm done.